Hello everyone, guys. Today I'm bringing you breaking news, and actually Bitcoin keeps going down. We're gonna take a look at the chart in just a second as well. And currently we're racking in $20,000 in profits on our short trade. If you watched my yesterday's video, check it out. I told you exactly what to expect from Jerome Powell's testimony, and we're gonna get through it. So that's the reason why I actually kept my short trade, because this right now in the bear market when macro is so dominant, that's why I didn't really want to flip my trade yet, but I wanted to see what Powell is going to say. So I told you this exactly in my previous video. So subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're always notified when I make a new upload. And this trade has been paying us quite nicely. And we're also getting paid by just holding a long trade because of the funding rate. So this is absolutely beautiful. Anyway, so let's just go quickly through everything, because there is something absolutely crazy that Blackrock has just said, and the judge presiding on the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit as well. There is so many things happening that you have to watch this video from the beginning and until the end, because it's absolutely crazy. And remember, if you want to see all of my personal trades and the trades of my team, then go down into the description of this video. This is where, and find a link to our Discord. It's called VIP Crollo Signals. And this is where we post all of my trades and the trades of my team. So anyway, before we move to the chart and talk about everything we're seeing currently, because the chart is not looking very good, especially Dixie right now. Dixie, the dollar index, is absolutely rallying. And the reason is because Jerome Powell actually dropped a bomb yesterday, a very hawkish one. Jerome Powell said that Fed is prepared to speed up the interest rate rises. And he also said that interest rates are likely to be higher than previously anticipated. So for this reason, the market is not taking it very lightly. And we are seeing a huge shift from the probabilities in terms of the size of the next rate hike. It was previously thought that we're going to have a 70% chance of a 25 basis points. But now it actually swings to 73% chance of 50 basis point rate hike. And what actually BlackRock has said is that Federal Reserve could hit rates, could hike rates to 6%, and hold there for an extended time. So why is this bad? Why does this actually drive the Dixie up? Bitcoin is actually, if you're going to take a look, it's actually going down. Look at S&P 500. It has actually absolutely plummeted. And actually, I actually drew this yesterday, this blue line. Quite interesting that it's all so spot on. So call me Mr. Spot on that in the comments. Subscribe right now. The realest crypto channel. If you're not subscribed, I mean, you have to subscribe right now and hit that notification bell, because we're making some crazy profits here. Anyway, so, and why is everything crashing? Well, the answer is this is NASDAQ. I mean, even China is going down. Hong Kong 50 index and also composite index of China is also going down. So the reason is quite simple, is because the more rate hikes there are, the longer they're going to be up, the bigger the probability of a recession, of everything just Fed pivoting too late because something breaks, unemployment spikes, etc. Like almost every single time we saw in the history. You know, everything was great until it was a deep recession. So this is the reason why the markets are shaky right now, is because, I mean, can we really sustain with everything already almost broken a 6% interest rates for an extended period of time? That's why, guys, watch today Powell is going to be speaking today again, and I think in front of the Senate instead of the Congress. So I mean, I'm not sure he's going to say anything new, I mean, in comparison to yesterday, but still worth noting. And on Friday we're going to see the unemployment data, which is mega important, and then next week CPI data, which is going to just print the whole picture, and then we're going to finally crash or pump, in my opinion. So now, what is bullish? I mean, everything we spoke about is short-term very bearish. So for this week, I will move to the chart in just a second, explain my technical reasoning and what I'm expecting for this trade. And certainly, guys, if you want to be trading on an exchange that you can trust, then go down into the description of this video and join Bybit. With my exclusive link to Bybit, you can claim up to $30,000 in initial deposit bonuses. So you have to use the link, register, deposit money into it, and actually you can create a new account and move your money from your existing account to a new account to claim all these bonuses. And if you deposit more than $100, you are entering automatically into a Rolex giveaway. And we still have one Rolex, because people who keep winning this one Rolex, it's the third Rolex I'm giving away, they don't have $100 in their account. So also, if you deposit more than $500, you'll get my paid famous crypto course for absolutely free, and you can actually claim it inside the Discord channel. And all deposited users get access to my crypto signals community for absolutely free. So use the link, become a part of Bybit, and join my free Discord channel and see all these trades that we're taking with these absolutely insane profits. So anyway, let's move on on to, now we spoke about the short-term bearishness. Let's talk about long-term stuff that is mega important in my opinion. And that is that we just saw a huge revelation and huge update when it comes to Ripple versus SEC. And the judge actually ruled on the expert testimony motions. And here is who benefits. So basically, the ruling did exclude the testimony of the expert witness Patrick Doody, who was hired by the SEC to analyze the expectations of XRP buyers, which could mean a win for Ripple considering he has the watchdog's only expert witness on the subject. So SEC has no more expert witnesses. This is, absolutely flipped everything in my personal humble opinion. There is a huger chance right now for XRP to win. And if they're going to win, this is going to take the whole market up. This is the catalyst we've been talking about. And this is a huge development right now. Also, if we're going to take a look at this, judges scrutinize SEC over the denial of Grayscale Bitcoin ETF. So the company's lawsuit against the SEC of Grayscale reached a pivotal moment as judge actually questioned the agency's decision-making of SEC. So this is another win for the crypto industry. Grayscale's application, suppose this is what SEC said when they denied Bitcoin spot ETF. They said that the application lacked data necessary to confidentially determine whether fraud and manipulation in the spot market impacts futures markets in the same way, whatever. So, but the judge, Naomi, thank you, Judge Naomi, said it seems that futures prices of Bitcoin is a derivative of the asset's spot price, which move together 99.9% of the time. And she said that SEC has not provided evidence that Grayscale's claims are wrong. So this means there is no bloody reason for us not to have a Bitcoin spot ETF, which means it could be coming very soon, maybe in this year, next year, coming closer maybe to the Bitcoin halving, which is going to be a huge injection of liquidity from big participants and institutionals into Bitcoin. And we've already seen Blackrock when there's so many movements really happening already. And this is bullish long-term. Short-term, we have some issues. We just discussed them. We also have this inflation thing and Silvergate and this network going down. But this shows the future, guys. And judge actually questioned the SEC's rejection of Grayscale spot Bitcoin ETF. Absolutely huge. So for this reason, what I'm thinking is, even if, that's why I'm actually keeping my short trade still open. Again, it's actually going down quite reluctantly, but we are still breaking below the most important support right here, which was this support right here. So if we actually close, at least in the 4-hour chart, because we didn't actually close below in the 4-hour chart, so in 15 minutes, we're going to close, we're going to kind of confirm this breakdown, and this would open the road to like $20,000-ish. So just purely technically, and this is what I'm personally looking at when it comes to my short trade. But in terms of long term, I'm accumulating. I believe in Bitcoin. Seeing all these things that I just discussed, I believe in the future Bitcoin performance of 2023 and especially 2024 and 2025 than ever before. That's why I'm so excited and so hyped right now. Because short term, potential downside for sure, whatever. So that's why we're taking this short trade. That's why we're making good money. And then as we close it, I'll put all of this money, last penny of it, into Bitcoin. So guys, check out this interview that I've done with a very successful trader who is making like 100% return per year consistently. He has a lot to share and he's been into trading for only a few years. So you can listen about his story, check it out. And as always, peace and love. Thomas Crollo. Use all the links down in the description to benefit as a trader. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.